So let us start question number 4. You have given a quadrilateral ABCD and the type of the quadrilateral you are not given. So how you can find the area of this quadrilateral ABCD? So at first you will find the area of this triangle ABT and triangle BCD, and then you will add and you will get the area of ABCD. So area of ABD plus area of BCD, when you find, the formula will be 1 by 2 into height into base. So this is height and base, so AM into BD, and plus 1 by 2 into BD into CN is the area of BCD. So what are the common things that are 1 by 2 and BD falls in both of the triangles, so you can take them common, and AM plus CN will be there in the bracket. So 1 by 2 into 24 meter into 13 meter plus 8 meter, and if you solve 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, it cut at 12, and after adding 13 and 8 you will get 21 meter. Multiplication of 12 and 21, you know, that is 252 meter square. So this is the solution of the question number 4. Now come to question number 5. The diagonals of the rhombus we have given 7.5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Area of the rhombus, you know, the formula is 1 by 2 into product of the diagonals. That is if I take D1 and D2 as the diagonal. So the formula will be 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. And after putting the value of the diagonals, you will get 1 by 2 into 7.5 into 12 centimeter. So because we are going to find out the area, so units will be in the squares. So cut it, 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12, and the multiplication of 7.5 and 6 is 45 centimeter square. So this is the solution of the question number 5. Now come to question number 6. The area of the rhombus is again height into base, because rhombus is also a kind of parallelogram, and its area can also be found by the height and base. So this is 6 centimeter into 4 centimeter, that is 24 centimeter square. And also the area of the rhombus can also be found by 1 by 2 into height into base. So 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. So D1 we have given 8 centimeter, D2 we have not given, so I have marked it D. You can mark it XYZ any variable. So you can cut here, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 4D you will get to the left hand side. And if you all want to find out the D, you have to transpose 4 from the left hand side to the right hand side, and then this 24 will be divided by 4 and you will get 6 centimeters. So this is the other diagonal of the rhombus. So two formulas we can use for the rhombus here. So this is the solution of the question number 6, right?